Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to recover a lost or corrupted file in Droyo. Let's begin. Recovering a lost or corrupted file here in Droyo can be approached depending on how you save the file. Normally, if you're using Droyo Online, if you have been working here for quite some time, you would know that once you click the file save here, pressing the Ctrl+S on your keyboard, you would notice that there's going to be kind of like a small status here that says all files or all work here online is automatically saved. All right. You see that all changes save in Drive. That means if you have a save of the file to a cloud service, for example, during the initial setup, you will be asked where would you like to save your diagram or Droyo files here in the platform. You can choose from any of the following, right? Google Drive, OneDrive, your computer obviously, which is going to be the device, Dropbox, GitHub, or GitLab. For example, you have chosen Google Drive. You can simply hover to your Google Drive and of course go to the most recent, right? Or simply go to the trash or bin in the cloud service, all right? Because previous versions of the file, which cloud services often allow you to restore. And from here, all you have to do is click the restore button, so you'd be able to recover the file that you have been looking for here in Droyo. All right, so that's one way. Another option that you can do is, if you hover to the upper left corner on the file section, there should be an option that says revision history. Okay, if you click that, it would give you all the previous history right here, and you should be able to locate all the options here. For example, the at around 4:02 of this file, or at this time, the file has been like this. For example, you wanted to use the earlier version at the morning right here. If you want to recover that, it's gonna be like easy because you can create a revision or click the restore option, which would give you the section to recover the file has been lost, and you'd be able to recover it with no time. You see that? You have now recovered the files here in Droyo using all these tools and methods. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.